Alright, so I'm going to go over the J option pane for you again. Alright, we already learned show input dialog box. That is for you to prompt user to give you input. And we also learn show message dialog box. That will tell the user about something. You give user information. Now we're going to show confirm dialog box. It will be asked the user to a question, and they will answer yes or no or cancel. Or you can option. You can create your own option, like a rock paper scissors, something like that. Okay, so now let me explain to you. There are quite a lot more information, but here your Java 8 document tell you you can see how to make dialog box here. Okay, so click on here. Okay, so this is how to make a dialog box. So for example, right here. So let's take a look. Okay. And so that's the dialog box. For here, you have a question. Egg aren't supposed to be green. And you have information. Icon. And that's a title. And you have OK button. Okay. You can do like that. So the dialog box is interact with user. Allow user to give you an input, yes or no. Alright, so the icon you can use are like this: question mark, information, warning, or arrow. Okay, so these are the examples. And you can have okay, you can have yes, no, or you modify that. For example, the very important, we saw the J option. J option default can be yes, no, cancel. But J option you can customize J option. Yes, please, no, thank, no, egg, something like that. Okay, you do the J option by yourself. Then you choose a J option. Okay, now these are very for example. Okay, we are going to say, would you like green egg and ham? That's a question. That's a prompt. Alright, so would you like the green egg and ham? That's a prompt. An alien question? That's a title. That's a title. Alright, so yes or no, you put yes or no option. Alright, so like here, the second one. A second one here, you set your J option is yes, please, no way, something like that. So here J option the yes no option, and J question message right here, that's the icon. That's the icon. Okay, and so these will allow you to have more information. So let's go back to take a look here right now. So for example here, do you want to continue? So that's the question we call prompt. That's a title called confirmation dialog box. This is the icon, and this is yes, no, and cancel. Or we can modify this. Alright, we have our question icon, and here the J option we make to rock, paper, scissors. Alright, so when you choose show confirm dialog box, Okay, I usually choose the second one. Second one, all right, here the component parent, as long as you don't put in the main, you put null, N-U-L-L. And the message will be this. That's a message. The title, will be here. That's a title. And option type, you choose yes, no, cancel, or you modify yourself. Okay. Then the message type, you choose from the 4 of the option you choose. You can choose question mark, something like that. Okay, right here, question mark, information, warning, or error. All right, so you usually choose that. So if you choose the second one, you don't put icon. If you choose the third one, you put icon. All right, so don't choose the first one, because the first one you just have a message, then you didn't allow the user to give an option. Do you understand? All right, so now do you understand that?